We are now going to move on to part 3 of the test. We will talk more about the topic of friends in detail. Okay, so can you tell me a bit about why friends are important in our lives?
Yes, I feel like even though some of us may be introverts, for example, we feel very comfortable being alone, but it is still difficult to always have to hold things to yourself. By things, I mean maybe some issues that you want to resolve, some frustration that you just want to let someone listen to you and try to let it out. So I feel like friends are important in that matters. Even some types of issues you can't really discuss with your families, even the closest members of your families.
Yeah. So do you think it's always better than to talk to your friends rather than your family about these issues?
I don't think it's an always or never kind of matter. It really depends on the types of issues, depends on the type of relationships you have with this person. So, for example, I feel like for family, someone would think like you don't discuss issues like relationships with your family. But if you have someone in your family who you feel close to, you can feel connected to, you feel like they can help you listen or resolve those issues, then feel free.
Do you have someone like that in your family?
Yes, I am very close to my sister.
Okay, that's great. Is it important to have friends from other countries?
Yes, now that I have lived overseas for, I think, half of my life already, I feel like if you just keep to your own community, your little social circle, then it's going to be difficult. You have to kind of expose yourself to different types of relationship, and knowing friends from different countries, you can exchange your culture, exchange your different backgrounds, knowledge. It's very helpful.
And how would you say are some good ways to meet friends from other countries?
I mean, I can't really say it's a method, but going overseas to live, to study is obviously the most easy way to meet people from different countries. But even in my countries, I still took part in a lot of activities that had foreigners. For example, you can take part in English clubs, sometimes tourism clubs. And also at my work, I work for a company that our main clients were foreigners. And through that, I met a few people, and a lot of them, I met a lot of people, and a few of them actually became friends later on.
Okay. Thank you very much. That is the end of the IELTS speaking test. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day.
Right. Thank you.